Did you know the United States is no longer the #1 dream destination for millions of travelers? In 2025, something surprising is happening. While tourism in America faces sharp declines, a new wave of countries from timeless European giants to unexpected underdogs is stealing the spotlight. Some of these names you'll expect, but the country at #1? I guarantee it will leave you speechless. Stick with me until the end, because the top pick might just change the way you think about travel forever. Let's dive into the 10 countries replacing America as travelers' next choice in 2025. Number 1. France. France continues to reign supreme as the world's most visited country, welcoming more than 90 million visitors in 2025. Paris remains irresistible with the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre, and the reborn Notre Dame Cathedral after years of restoration. But beyond Paris, travelers are falling in love with rural France province's lavender fields, the Loire Valley's castles, and Bordeaux's vineyards. What's new in 2025? France is investing heavily in green tourism, introducing carbon-neutral train routes connecting major cities with small villages. Foodies are also flocking to regional culinary festivals, where traditional cheeses and wines are paired with modern gastronomy. France isn't just holding its crown, it's reinventing what luxury. Number 2. Spain. Spain is experiencing a tourism boom in 2025 with over 85 million arrivals. Barcelona and Madrid remain hotspots, but tourists are now exploring the lesser-known gems. Valencia's futuristic city of arts and sciences, Seville's flamenco traditions, and Bilbao's Guggenheim Museum. Spain's coastlines from the Costa del Sol to Costa Brava continue to attract sunseekers. Yet Spain is also facing a tourism protest movement in 2025, with locals in Barcelona and the Canary Islands demanding limits on overtourism. In response, Spain is promoting slow travel, guiding visitors towards smaller towns like Ronda, Salamanca, and Gijón. Here, the culture feels intimate, the food authentic, and the crowds almost non-existent. Spain's secret is simple: diversity of experiences, from nightlife to medieval heritage. Number 3. Italy. Italy is once again in the global top 5, blending romance, history, and food in ways no other country can. Rome's Colosseum, Florence's Renaissance art, and Venice's canals remain magical. But 2025 travelers are venturing deeper. Cinque Terre's colorful villages, Sicily's volcanic landscapes, and Puglia's whitewashed towns. A major update in 2025 is Italy's ecotourism initiative. Provinces are offering green passes that reward visitors for using public transport and staying in eco-certified hotels. Italy is also making a splash in culinary tourism, with farm-to-table dining in Tuscany and vineyard tours becoming must-do experiences. Whether you're into art, beaches, or wine, Italy is proving it can evolve with the times while keeping its timeless charm. Number 4. China. China is reclaiming its place as a global travel giant. The Great Wall, Forbidden City, and Terracotta Army remain monumental draws, but 2025 tourists are also flocking to futuristic megacities like Shanghai and Shenzhen. Here, ancient culture blends with dazzling skyscrapers and high-tech entertainment. What's changing? In 2025, China has reopened with streamlined visas and international campaigns promoting cultural China. Rural tourism is also on the rise, with travelers exploring villages in Yunnan, tea fields in Hangzhou, and panda sanctuaries in Sichuan. The combination of deep history and bold modernism makes China not just a destination, but an experience spanning centuries in a single trip. Number 5. Mexico. Mexico is rising fast as Americans and Europeans seek closer, budget-friendly alternatives to long-haul travel. Cancun and Tulum still dominate the beach scene, but 2025 visitors are going deeper, into Oaxaca for food and crafts, Guanajuato for colorful colonial charm, and Baja California for wine tourism. What sets 2025 apart? The Mexican government has boosted safety measures and invested in high-speed rail connecting Mexico City to hotspots like Quintana Roo. With the US dollar fluctuating, Mexico is now seen as the perfect dupe destination, giving Paris-like culture in Mexico City or Ibiza-like nightlife in Playa del Carmen at a fraction of the cost. Mexico is no longer just America's neighbor, it's a tourism powerhouse. Number 6. Thailand. Thailand remains Asia's crown jewel, drawing visitors with golden temples, floating markets, and postcard beaches. But in 2025, Thailand is pivoting strongly into wellness tourism. Chiang Mai is booming with meditation retreats, while Phuket and Koh Samui are seeing luxury resorts reinvent themselves as wellness sanctuaries. Thailand's tourism board has also launched the Amazing Thailand 2025 campaign focusing on eco-friendly initiatives, including plastic-free beaches and wildlife preservation. Street food remains legendary, with Bangkok crowned again as one of the best food cities in the world. Thailand proves why it's not just a holiday, it's a rebirth of mind and body. Number 7. Turkey. Turkey has emerged in 2025 as one of the most magnetic destinations, attracting travelers from both east and west. Istanbul's skyline, minarets beside modern towers, offers the perfect symbol of its dual identity. Tourists are enchanted by Cappadocia's hot air balloon rides, Ephesus' Roman ruins, and Antalya's turquoise beaches. In 2025, Turkey is pushing for digital nomad tourism, offering long-stay visas and co-working retreats in coastal towns. Political stability in the region compared to its neighbors has also made Turkey a safer choice for adventure travelers. Turkey's magic lies in its diversity. It's both ancient and modern, European and Asian, exotic and familiar. Number 8. United Kingdom. The UK is bouncing back in 2025 with London leading as a global cultural hub. Buckingham Palace, Tower Bridge, and Big Ben remain classic, but there's more beneath the surface. Edinburgh's festivals, Wales' castles, and Northern Ireland's Game of Thrones landscapes are adding fresh appeal. What's trending now? The UK is focusing on heritage tourism, restoring old industrial cities like Manchester and Liverpool into cultural centers with art, music, and history tours. Post-Brexit, the UK is also promoting itself aggressively to American and Asian travelers with simplified entry rules. For those craving English literature, Harry Potter sites, or royal experiences, the UK is once again a travel favorite. Number 9. Germany. Germany is stepping into the spotlight as a leader in cultural and ecotourism. Berlin's nightlife and art remain iconic, but 2025 is highlighting new experiences. Rhine River cruises through Castle Country, Bavarian beer festivals, and hikes in the Black Forest. Germany has also invested in sustainable travel infrastructure, offering free local transport in several regions to cut emissions. Tourists are loving the mix of tradition. Think Oktoberfest and medieval towns, with modern attractions like Volkswagen's Autostad or Berlin's startup culture. For many, Germany now feels like the perfect balance of old Europe and futuristic innovation. Number 10. Albania and Bulgaria. And now, the shocker number 1. Albania and Bulgaria, once overlooked, are exploding in popularity in 2025. Albania, with its turquoise beaches on the Albanian Riviera, is being hailed as the Maldives of Europe. Meanwhile, Bulgaria combines affordability with variety, ski resorts in Bansko, beach escapes in Varna, and history in Plovdiv. What makes these two so irresistible? Value. Albania and Bulgaria offer Mediterranean vibes at half the price of Greece or Italy. Social media has played a huge role. TikTok and Instagram are feed with clips of their untouched beauty, sparking curiosity among younger travelers. In 2025, these underdogs are stepping into the spotlight as Europe's most surprising rising stars. So why are travelers shifting away from America? In 2025, the U.S. faces an 8% decline in international arrivals due to stricter visa policies,